Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Upwork. Whether you've just completed your first project or you're looking to access your earnings, getting your funds out of Upwork is a straightforward process once you know where to look. Let's walk through this together. First things first, open your web browser and head over to upwork.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you've got your credentials ready so you can sign in smoothly and access your dashboard. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon sitting there. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From that menu, select Account Settings. This is your control center for managing all aspects of your Upwork account, including how you receive payments. Once you're in the Account Settings area, look over to the left sidebar. Here you'll find various sections for customizing your account. Click on Withdrawals. This section is specifically dedicated to managing how you get your hard-earned money out of Upwork and into your hands. It's where you'll set up your payment methods and initiate transfers. Now, to add a new way to receive your funds, click on Add a Method. This opens up the options available to you for withdrawing your earnings. Upwork offers several different methods, each with its own processing times and potential fees, so it's worth considering which one works best for your situation. You'll see a list of preferred options appear on your screen. Take a moment to review them and select the one that suits your needs. Once you've made your selection, look right beside it and click on Setup. This will guide you through the specific requirements for that withdrawal method, which might include entering bank details or other account information depending on which option you chose. Follow the prompts carefully to complete the setup process. Upwork will verify your information to ensure everything is correct before allowing you to withdraw funds. Once your method is verified and active, you'll be able to transfer your earnings whenever you're ready. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a withdrawal method on Upwork, giving you access to your earnings whenever you need them. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.